you. California dreaming about you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back again with me, Adriansha. So today we will discuss what is the problem that we have in listening. Sometimes we have better in listening. Some of them is reduction, some of them is idioms, and some of them is slang. Sometimes when we are listening, we are so difficult what the speaker saying because of this. So if you want to know it well, let's discuss. The first one is reduction. So what is reduction? Reduction simply means the act of reduce form of English word. For example, what are you doing? And what you doing? And the second is I kind of like him, and I kinda like him. And the third is let me help you, and let me help you. Okay, next. The second is idiom. So what is idioms? An idiom is an expression in which words do not have their literal meaning. For example, kick the bucket. Kick the bucket here means that to die. And the second is spill the beans. Spill the beans means that to tell people secret information. And the third is hit the book. Hit the book here means that you must study hard. And the last is slang. So what is slang? Slang is just word that you are used among to protect your region or edu for a social circle. And it's not university now by everyone else, even the people from the same country. For example, crash. Crash here means that you suddenly fall asleep when you are so tired and you are going to sleep for immediately because you are so tired and you just want to crash. And the second is bucks. Bucks here same with dollars, same meaning with dollars. So if you have $3, you can say $3. I think that's all my explanation today, and thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.